Welcome back to my channel. My name is Abdul and this is Speak Swahili channel. Today we're going to discuss about this million-dollar question. Is it difficult to speak Swahili? Are you willing to move on watching my next episode? Speak Swahili is very easy. I'm going to make it easy for you. Stay tuned, stay put. Okay, as I've said before, I'm gonna give you 4 points to show you why is it not difficult to speak Swahili. Behind me, there are others 4 reasons. Let me go straight to the first one. As you see, Swahili has no gender, noun, or articles. Compared to other languages, English, Italian, Spanish, and others, and French, you may find that there are some articles or gender nouns, but in Swahili, you don't have to worry about that. Okay, for example, here, the word in English, I need a or the book. In Swahili, there is none. In Swahili, the word I need is nina hitaji, nina hitaji. And the or a book is kitabu. So when you say nina hitaji kitabu, that's it. You don't need to put any articles in between. So that is so easy. That's what makes Swahili so easy. And then there's another example here. She or he, the gender. But in Swahili there is yeye, just that. And she or he is the student. Oh, he is a student. In Swahili, you only say yeye ni mwanafunzi, and that's it. You don't need to worry about either this or these. You don't need to worry about them. You just have to say yeye ni mwanafunzi. Anafurahi means she is happy or he is happy. Here, the word a represent she or he. Na, it's the time. And then happy is furahi, furahi. Ana furahi, she is happy. So from these 3 examples, you may see that you don't need to worry about either articles or gender when making a sentence, when conjugating. And that is the second reason, verb conjugation. So on a second reason here, you may see from the word tembea, which is the root of the word, which means to walk, and ku, which means to. So kutembea means to walk. Here, nina tembea means I am walking. Nili tembea, I walked. Nime tembea, I have walked recently. And nitatembea means I will walk. So the word ni here represent I. And then na represent time, as I've pointed out here. Time. Na, li, me, ta represent time. And then tembea is the root of our word, which is walk, and here walking, walked, walked. So that is the second reason as to why is it not difficult to speak Swahili. So let's go straight to the third reason, and this may be familiar to you because as you've seen, the third reason is that you are familiar with Swahili. You don't know that, but I'm going to tell you this today. You may have learned, or you may have heard some Swahili word, and you don't even know if they are Swahili or not. But today, you will learn that those words you heard from the Disney World or Disney sequel, The Lion King, and other places, and other words being used in other businesses, those are Swahili words. For example, the word Simba in The Lion King, it means a lion. Simba is a lion. And Rafiki is a friend. rafiki, friend, rafiki. Simba, asante sana, it is thank you so much. Asante sana, thank you so much. Hakuna matata means no worries or no problem. Hakuna matata. So you say, Hakuna Matata, brother. No problem, man. Yes. Okay, so there are other words like jenga, which means to build in Swahili. Jenga means to build. And then there is the word jamba. Jamba means fart. Kujamba means to fart. So fart is jamba. Okay, let's move on. There is other borrowed word from other languages, from familia. Familia in Swahili. In Portuguese, the familia, la familia. But in Swahili, it is familia, which is family. And shule, it is school. This is German, from German. Picha, which is picture. Benki, which is bank. Posta, which is post. Posta. Africa, which is Africa. So it is familia, shule, picha, benki, posta, Africa. We're going to learn more as we move on to the next episode in this series of Speak Swahili. I believe at the end of this series, you will be able to speak Swahili fluently. Stay with me. Okay, so the last reason as to why is it not difficult to speak Swahili, it is about easy pronunciation. As you may have noticed, I'm struggling to pronounce this English language, but in Swahili I can just, maybe it's my language, it's my first language. I had a hard time learning English. It took me a while. But let me take away your worries. In Swahili, you will not struggle. You will learn it just like, So if you want to be sure, if you want to prove, stay with me. In my next episode, we are going to start our first lesson in learning and speaking Swahili fluent. No hesitation. So the last reason is easy pronunciation, because we have very few syllables, we have very few vowels and consonant, I believe. We have 5 basic vowels, that is A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. And we use Roman form, Roman letters, and then English consonants, we use them, except for the letter Q, X, and C, whereby we use CH, 2 consonants together, CH. I really appreciate if you could subscribe and click that bell button to get my lessons as soon as I've uploaded them. And if you have any comments, please do comment down below and like my channel if you really liked it, and dislike it, and give me a reason if you may have that time. And I will appreciate if you say something that you want me to answer your questions, the words that you feel uncomfortable using, or there are some. I will be having a Q&A session some from time to time, and then we can all be in the same page and on the same line. Okay, before I finish my lesson for today, I want to tell you one thing. Recently, United Nations, through its UNESCO, have sat together and decided that on every year, on the 7th of July, that will be the date for Swahili Language Day. This is a huge thing to us, Swahili speakers, to the African as a whole, and to the world, because Swahili is becoming more and more important, and I would like you to start thinking about learning, speaking, and using Swahili in your daily life. Thank you so much, and until next time, be cool. Bye bye. Kwaheri. Asante sana.